the fate of nations and the fall of kingdoms, history's epic theories of what causes aurora. Humans finally understand aurora science, still prefer supernatural tourism stories. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans apparently spent 3,000 years convinced colorful skylights predicted wars, revealed divine messages, and signaled the fall of kingdoms, only to discover it just magnetized solar particles. Scientists recently traced aurora observations back to the 10th century BCE in Chinese texts describing a 5-colored light predating previous records by 300 years. Translation: humans watched nature's light show and invented elaborate supernatural explanations instead of asking basic physics questions. You can't make this up. So here's what happened. In 1716, after England executed the Earl of Derwentwater for Jacobite rebellion, spectacular auroras appeared over Europe. People described them as armies fighting in the sky, showers of blood, and giants flaming with swords. Political interpretations depended entirely on religious alliance. Protestants saw divine warnings, while Catholics saw omens of restoration. Meanwhile, astronomer Edmund Halley calmly studied the phenomenon and correctly theorized magnetic particles. But apparently, supernatural warfare narratives were more compelling than magnetism. Simple scientific curiosity, completely ignored. Let me paint the picture for you, space observers. Ancient cultures created magnificent origin stories. Norse mythology claimed the Bifrost Rainbow Bridge connected mortals to the gods. Some Sami communities warned children to stay quiet during auroras or risk becoming entangled in their rays. Alaskan indigenous stories featured northern lights playing football with human heads. The Bamboo Annals from China described the 1077 BCE event as a 5-colored celestial phenomenon. Greek philosopher Aristotle wrote about burning flames and moving torches in 330 BCE. Babylonian tablets from 567 BCE recorded red glows as political omens. The irony is absolutely stunning. But wait, it gets better. Humans finally understand that auroras result from solar activity interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Yet during upheavals like the American Revolutionary War, people still interpreted them as divine Protestant signs. Recent November 2025 geomagnetic storms made northern lights visible as far south as Florida and Alabama. So humanity possesses complete scientific understanding, but tourism operators still market Japanese conception myths about lucky number children under northern lights. Apparently, facts cannot compete with profitable storytelling. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Humans spent millennia creating elaborate cultural narratives, political prophecies, religious interpretations, and supernatural warfare theories about magnetized particles colliding with atmospheric gases. Ancient Assyrians carved cuneiform predictions for kings. Medieval Europeans saw kingdoms fall. Modern tourists seek conception blessings. Meanwhile, scientists quietly explained everything with physics centuries ago. This is Commander Zix reminding you that while Earth possesses complete scientific knowledge of auroras, it simultaneously maintains profitable mythology industries. Apparently, wonder sells better than electrons on this planet.